Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm on my way to clean my car because tomorrow is gonna be tight. A lot of snow. Damn, look at this car. And this, oh, there's some old snow. Damn. There you go. Be careful. Be careful. Slow down on turning. Damn. See, maybe I go to work. Who knows? Maybe I go to work. But I clean car? I don't know. Oh man. It's huge. They did a good job cleaning the sidewalk. This building very good. Good people. This tree nice. Snow tree. It's called snow tree now. All this tree now, snow tree. I see a lot of Uber driver working. Oh, this is abandoned property. Nobody lives here. That's the reason. Damn. Oh, wow. I almost fell. Damn. Be careful, okay? This is very strong.
I'm taking it very slow.
Yeah, very slow because it's tight. Damn. Damn. What happened? These people. Oh. Problem is I don't get snowboard. That's my car right there. Somebody trying to clear up the snow. The car in front of me. But I don't know. How am I gonna do this? Yeah. They're supposed to clear this bus stop, but they didn't. That's my car. Damn, look at this Camry. Look at this Camry. He's flying. He's flying. There is Camry. He's flying. That's my car. How am I gonna take it out from here? I don't have just no shovel. Damn. There is no way. Welcome to America, New York. Out of hard work. Damn. Okay. Let's get in. And let's see. Bismillah. It's not easy. Okay, Alhamdulillah, after a long hard work, it's pretty good. Inshallah, should be able to come out in the morning. I'm not gonna work today. Just gonna go home and chill. Should be good. Woo, a lot of work. All this snow I removed. This is crazy. Just clean, push the snow, and sanitation truck push it back. Damn.